How to find the SWIFT code for Nordea Bank Norway online banking. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can find the SWIFT code for Nordea Bank of Norway. Well, be it that you wish to get the SWIFT code for Nordea Bank Norway or any other banks, the process is simple. You can head over to your web browser and search in for SWIFT code finder. Here you can see in the results, you'll get this list of online SWIFT code directories. You can head into any of these. I'm heading into the bank codes one. Once you're on the SWIFT code finder page, you'll get this search for SWIFT code section. There you want to select the country first. Once you select the country, go ahead and select the bank and then select the city as well. And down below, you'll get the select the SWIFT code section where you'll be able to get a SWIFT code. So this is how you can easily get the SWIFT code, not only for Nordea Bank Norway, but also in other banks around any corner of the world that you wish to get a SWIFT code for. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues regarding online banking as well.